Paradiddles, paradiddles, paradiddles. The greatest rudiment there is out there, in my opinion, because of what it teaches you about drumming. It teaches you hand technique, it teaches you dynamics, groove, fill, touch, phrasing, everything. Plus, you can do some really cool things with it, and that's what today's video is about. Now, I've got a video talking about a couple of exercises that are amazing for your hands on the pad, but we're going to talk about the kit stuff today, because that's where the paradiddle really comes alive. Before we get into what we're going to do with it today, we need to talk about inversions. A paradiddle, just like any other sticking, and any chord actually on a harmonic instrument, can be inverted. It creates different shapes, different textures, and the way we invert on the kit is very, very simple. We write out the sticking, and then we take the second note, and that becomes our first note. Then we take the second note again, and that becomes our new first note, until we have exhausted all the possibilities. Now a paradiddle, right, left, right, right, is 4 notes long. Yes, it does reverse, I get it, but that gives us 4 inversions. Now I know they have fancy names, reverse paradiddle, inward paradiddle, outward paradiddle. I just call them 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep it easy, and because of the things that I do with it in later systems and stuff on my website. So now the paradiddle and its inversions are as follows. Inversion 1, the root position, right, left, right, right, then reverse it, left, right, left, left. Keep those accents on the first note of each side, important. Second inversion, chuck that double in the middle. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Third inversion, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. That's called a reverse paradiddle, I think. I don't really care. Then the fourth one, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. We're keeping those accents in the same position. So once we've got that, we're going to chuck it on the pad and we're going to make them sound identical, just like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Once you've got them down on the pad, it becomes really easy to chuck it onto the kit. We're going to take the right hand, we're going to play it on the hi-hat. We're going to take the left hand, we're going to play it on the snare drum. We're going to put a kick on the 1 and 3, and we're going to turn it into a groove. So to some of you out there, that might be old news and boring as anything. To other people though, to newer drummers or people that have never explored this, that could be super exciting. The whole point here is that even if you start at the beginning, there's some benefit to practicing it. There's some benefit to working on it, especially when you get into inversions and giving you different shapes. So now that we've got that down, let's do some underhand hi-hat work, which is a super cool little thing to do, but we tend to play them all the same. We're going to take any individual left hand that isn't the backbeat, and we're going to do it underhand on the hi-hat. So in our first inversion, right, left, right, right, well that would be right on the hi-hat, underhand hi-hat left, right, right. Then we've got an accented left, single right, double left. So we've only got the underhand thing gives you such a different texture. If you're a trad grip player, sorry you can't do that. You have to come out, and then come back in again. Second inversion, well now we've got right, left, left, right. Okay, that stays in the position. But then we've got left, right, right, left. Third inversion, Well, that becomes right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And then the fourth one, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So now you understand what you're meant to do. Let's hear it on the kit. If I'm entirely honest, we're barely scratching the surface of what is possible with a paradiddle. I've got a brand new course out, which I know you're going to love if you love paradiddles just like me. It's called the Paradiddle Secret Volume 1. This thing is a monster course. We've got customized exercises, trackers, and in it you'll learn a system that is totally open-ended so you can apply it to your own drumming and your own ideas later on down the line. All the information is in the description below if you want to go check it out. So we've done a couple of groove things. What about some fills? Well, paradiddles can be cool fills as well, but we're not going to play a paradiddle around the drums. Take the double rights on either inversion and turn them into two kicks. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, inversion 1, or the root position, becomes right, left, kick, kick, left, right, left, left. Second inversion, right, left, left, right, stays the same, and then left, kick, kick, left. Third inversion, we'll know the two kicks at the start. Kick, kick, left, right, right, right. Kick, kick, left, right, left, left, right, left. And finally, kick, left, right, left, left, right, left, kick. Now what I would do to pop this a little bit more, bring the singles up, ghost the lefts, pop the kicks, and you get some really cool fills. Check it out. So there's 3 awesome ideas to do with paradiddle. Like I said, we're barely scratching the surface. So if you do want to go check out the course, I'll link it here, or somewhere. Go and check it out. Links in the description below. But until next time, guys, happy practicing. I'll see you in the practice room.